How to change avatar on Facebook Messenger. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Messenger application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in and you are on this home page, navigate to top left corner and tap on three line icon. From this menu box, tap on the gear icon from the top right corner. Now, from this page, scroll down a bit and under preferences, there you'll have an avatar option. Tap on it. Now, tap on edit avatar. Now you can edit this avatar. You can change its style. You can choose anyone from here. And if you want to change the hairstyle, tap on this hair from here. Now you can change this hair to different hairstyle. And you can also change eyebrows and facial hair as well. If you want to change the makeup, tap on makeup from this menu bar and you can apply the eyeshadow, brush, lipstick and face paint. And similarly, you can also change the face. Tap on face. Now you can change your face shape. You can choose jawline from here. Select the different jawline according to your preferences. There are few more options as face markings and then bindi. Now, if you want to change your body, tap on this body from this menu bar and select the body type according to your preferences. If you want to change the skin tone, tap on skin tone and then again choose the different skin tone. Now, if you want to go to closet, tap on closet from this menu bar. Now you can change the closet as well. If you want to tap on find more, you will have more option for your closet where you can choose the tops, buttons, shoes, outfits, headwear, eyewear, nose piercing, and earring. So from all of these, you can change your closet as well. And once you're done with editing your avatar, you can simply tap on the save button from the top right corner and then tap on save. And with that, your avatar will be changed and saved. So that's how you can change and edit avatar in Facebook Messenger. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.